Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by confirming your account details and connection. That prevents repeated prompts caused by simple mismatch. Once signed out, close Outlook and remove saved credentials in Windows Credential Manager so Outlook cannot reuse bad logins. Next, open Outlook and navigate to File, Account Settings, then Manage Profiles. This gives you control of profiles and account entries. Make sure to note any custom data files before changing settings, because you may need to reattach them later. Once done removing the account, re-add it using the correct server types, IMAP, POP, or Exchange, and ensure the username format matches provider requirements. If your organization uses modern authentication, enable it in registry or via admin settings. Otherwise, supply the app password if MFA is active. Make sure to update saved credentials in Credential Manager and clear any stale OAuth tokens. This forces a fresh sign-in. You do this because old tokens or mismatched server settings are the usual culprits. Now restart Outlook and test sending and receiving. If everything authenticates, you are done. If prompts persist, run Office Repair from Settings, and as a next step, create a new Outlook profile and attach your data files. This isolates profile corruption. Make sure firewall and antivirus are not blocking authentication endpoints, and verify multi-factor authentication settings with your admin. If problems continue, clear credentials again and consult your mail provider for server-side lockouts. This single troubleshooting tip.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.